Let's take a look at how to import test cases from case.io to a ZStream QA project. First thing we're going to do is export our test cases from our case.io test repository. So I have it open here, and I'll go ahead and export this as a JSON file. While that's downloading, I'll create a quality assurance project in ZStream. We'll call this case import tutorial. And we'll go ahead and create this QA project. Now, from the project settings of our new project, we can go ahead and import the JSON file that we just exported from case. Here we see some default mappings from case.io statuses to ZStream statuses. We can go ahead and change these if we need to, but the default mapping makes sense. Same story for automation status. We can go ahead and change these in our field settings and change how they map here. But by default, these are set up with some reasonable values. I'll go ahead and start this import. And if we go ahead and navigate to our new case import tutorial project in the project filter and look at test cases, we'll see all of our newly imported test cases. So this is a brand new project. And now we can see our full hierarchy has been imported here directly from case. And that's all there is to it.